Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. So today we are going to be making this super easy and cute infinity top or blouse, and it has a little frill at the bottom. It's going to be quite a very simple DIY, so let's get into the video. This is my fabric, and the fabric was about 1.7 meters long. I think if you work with a 2-meter fabric, that will also be really cool. Like if you're an extra large person, I personally wear large, and I worked with 1.7 meters of fabric, and the width is the usual width of the fabrics that we usually buy, which is about 1 yard as well. Then I folded the fabric 4 times lengthwise, just like that. So after folding it, you should have about 1/4 of a yard of the inch and 1.7 meters long. Then I went on to cut on all the edges. So when I finished cutting, I had 4 separate strips of fabric. So as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3 and 4 strips of fabrics. Then I now went on to prepare the first stage, and then so you basically take one of the pieces of the fabric, one of the strips, and then you fold both edges inside. And then you now fold the whole thing in half, and when you fold this, you make sure that the right sides of the fabrics are facing each other. Then I went to the ends, and then I put those little pegs. Then I went on to sew this on the sewing machine. After sewing it, I now turned it inside out. So at that moment you realize that all the raw edges are facing inside, and then I went on to iron that little strip of fabric. This is going to be the waistband. So there's my waistband. Then I set it aside, and then I now went on to prepare the frill at the bottom of the top. And then I took another strip of fabric, and then I folded it, and then I went to the ends of the corner and I made the corners rounded like that. You don't have to do this. This is just something that I did. I thought it would look nicer. Then after that, I now went on to iron all the edges down and hem that whole edge. Then I made a straight stitch to prepare for gathering. So after that, I now went back to my waistband, and then I measured my waist. So my waist is 36 inches, and then I divided that by 2, and then I folded my waistband in half, and then I marked 18 inches from the folded edge. I open up my waistband, I have 36 inches right in the middle. And this is where I insert the bottom part of the top. Then I started to gather my frill to the length. I started to gather it down from 1.7 meters down to 36 inches, and then I inserted it into that part where I had marked with a chalk, and then I put some pins. Then I went on to sew this down. So now to make the straps of the top, the infinity straps, I took the remaining 2 last strips of fabric, and then I hemmed them all the way around, and then I stitched them on the sewing machine. And then I went on now to attach them onto the waistband of the top, and then I just stitched them down, and that was practically it. So the 2 hanging waistbands are the ones that you use to tie on the back, and then the 2 front straps are the ones which go to the back, which you will now use to style the infinity top and tie it at the back. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.